Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Antarctic Star, known for its affordability and quick ice production, and the Typhur, which specializes in producing chewable nugget ice. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Antarctic Star is priced at just $69, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Typhur comes with a higher price tag of $359, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the Antarctic Star offers great value, the Typhur aims to deliver a premium ice-making experience. Next, let's talk about the type of ice each machine produces. The Antarctic Star creates standard ice cubes, which are great for cooling drinks, but may not be as enjoyable for some users. On the other hand, the Typhur specializes in nugget ice, known for its chewable texture and ability to keep drinks colder for longer. This difference can significantly impact your ice experience, especially if you prefer softer ice for your beverages. Finally, let's examine their ice production capabilities. The Antarctic Star can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for small gatherings or personal use. In comparison, the Typhur boasts a higher capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger parties or families who require more ice. This increased output can be a game changer if you frequently entertain guests. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and Typhur ice makers have their strengths. The Antarctic Star is perfect for those on a budget who need quick and efficient ice production, while the Typhur is a premium choice for those who prioritize ice quality and higher capacity. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.